Hello, my name is Harry and I'm with my Papa, Mark and Grandma, and we're gonna go into the aircraft factory and flight shed.
Do you want to put it in there?
And you push that down.
Press the button on top. Press it hard. Good man.
Wire bracing.
Brilliant.
We're in the wire bracing shop. This is the fabric shop, and we need to sign this which says fabric shop. Most early aircraft were covered in a smooth, lightweight fabric skin rather than metal. Aircraft manufacture has increasingly used composite and other non-metallic materials. We stamped it. Maybe this is the tinsmith's shop. We could just, wait, how about we just stamp it here? We can do the carpenter shop. Carpenter shop. Carpentry skills were essential to the manufacture of early aircraft. Then shall we cut through there? For the first 40 years, all aircraft were powered by engine-driven propellers, depending on the combination of aircraft and engine in the 1930s. Oh, stamp. I need to do it quite hard. Now we have to go upstairs. Thanks. Upstairs. Design. Where's the designs? Oh. Early aircraft designs were simple sketches as aircraft became more sophisticated. These done all of them. It's a plane which was found in a big lake called Loch Ness, and it was found underwater in there, and it was brought here and rebuilt. Yeah, like toads. Where do we go? Yeah. It's a future aircraft. Electric power.
Okay, let's go for that.
What does autonomous mean?
It flies by itself.
Was remotely operated.
Remote it's flown from the ground whilst it's up in the air by man.
Okay.
Great. Okay, so that's fine.
What do I press? What do I do? Take flight.
Yep.
Take flight.
Where is it? Let's have a look.
What are all these ones just really fast flying cars? How do they make these ones? Yeah, but how do they make like mini spaceships like that?
All sorts. Well, this is a clever bit of electronic design. Shall we go through now?
You need to clock out.
Oh, clock out.